Number 1. 1973 Chevrolet Nova fully rebuilt engine update. Price: $8,550. Located: Coopersburg, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova is a classic American two-door muscle car with strong vintage appeal and impressive performance potential. The seller states that the vehicle features a fully rebuilt V8 engine with upgraded heads, giving this Nova additional power and reliability for cruising or weekend driving. The green exterior paired with the matching green interior creates a bold period-correct appearance that stands out nicely. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this classic offers a comfortable driving experience while still delivering the aggressive personality expected from 70s Chevrolet muscle cars. The vehicle reportedly has no major damage or significant mechanical issues and comes with a paid-off title. Whether this Nova is a true SS model or not, it remains a highly desirable project and collectible classic with timeless American styling and solid overall presentation. Number 2. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $6,000. Located: Perrysburg, Ohio. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is an excellent entry-level American classic that offers timeless styling and enjoyable driving characteristics. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this Mustang delivers a traditional vintage driving experience that many enthusiasts still appreciate today. The seller mentions numerous recent maintenance upgrades including new tires, wheels, brake components, fuel system parts, exhaust system, water pump, interior panels, and carpet. The blue exterior and matching blue interior provide an attractive classic appearance that reflects the early Mustang era perfectly. Additional parts including a new headliner and quarter panel are included with the vehicle. This coupe runs and drives while offering room for future improvements, making it a great opportunity for collectors or first-time classic car owners searching for an affordable and iconic American vehicle. Number 3. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Price: $8,500. Located: Pennsville, New Jersey. This 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a beautifully restored classic coupe that combines vintage luxury with dependable drivability. The silver exterior paired with the blue interior creates a stylish and elegant appearance that fits the late 70s era perfectly. Powered by the original low-mileage 260 small block engine and automatic transmission, this vehicle reportedly starts easily and drives very smoothly. The seller describes extensive restoration work including new carpet, refreshed upholstery, new steering components, upgraded suspension parts, fresh shocks, brake system improvements, and rebuilt carburetor work. The vehicle also features clean rust-free body panels and a detailed engine compartment that reflects careful ownership. Although the paintwork was completed personally by the owner, considerable effort was invested to achieve a strong finish. This Cutlass Supreme presents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a comfortable and reliable vintage American cruiser. Number 4. 1977 Corvette Stingray. Price: $5,200. Located: Dearborn Heights, Michigan. This 1977 Corvette Stingray is a classic American sports car that continues to attract enthusiasts with its aggressive styling and unmistakable road presence. Featuring the iconic T-top roof design, this Corvette offers an open-air driving experience that perfectly matches the spirit of 70s performance cars. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives but will require some additional work, making it an ideal project for someone looking to restore and personalize a legendary Chevrolet sports car. Even in its current condition, the car remains highly appealing thanks to its sleek body lines and strong collector interest. Vehicles like the Stingray continue to gain popularity among classic car fans because of their timeless appearance and enjoyable driving character. With some attention and restoration effort, this Corvette could become a standout weekend cruiser and valuable addition to any classic car collection. Number 5. 1973 Pontiac Ventura. Price: $6,000. Located: Dallas, Oregon. This 1973 Pontiac Ventura is a solid vintage American coupe that offers classic styling and dependable drivability at an affordable price point. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives perfectly, making it a strong foundation for someone interested in restoring or enjoying a classic Pontiac. The blue exterior gives the car a clean traditional appearance, while the automatic transmission provides comfortable operation for everyday cruising. According to the description, the interior will require restoration work, creating an opportunity for the next owner to customize and improve the cabin to their own preference. This Ventura comes from a 2-owner history and reportedly has no major mechanical issues or title problems. Cars from this era continue to attract enthusiasts because of their simple design and strong V8 heritage. This Pontiac represents a great project for collectors searching for a classic vehicle with solid potential. Number 6. 1977 Buick Regal Limited Coupe 2D. Price: $3,200. Located: Galt, California. This 1977 Buick Regal Limited Coupe is an affordable classic American coupe that offers vintage luxury styling and smooth cruising potential. Finished with a black exterior and matching black interior, this Regal presents a bold and elegant appearance that reflects the personal luxury car trend of the late 70s. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives, making it a practical project for someone looking to enter the classic car hobby without a large investment. While the car may require brake work and additional attention, it already provides a strong foundation for restoration or casual weekend driving. The automatic transmission helps deliver a comfortable and relaxed driving experience that suits the character of this Buick perfectly. Classic Regals from this era continue to gain appreciation among collectors because of their stylish body lines and dependable mechanical design. This coupe offers solid value and strong vintage charm. Number 7. 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis. Price: $7,500. Located: New Martinsville, West Virginia. This 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis is a full-size American luxury sedan that delivers classic comfort, smooth performance, and timeless 70s styling. The red exterior gives the vehicle a bold and elegant presence, while the spacious body design reflects the era of large American cruising sedans. According to the seller, the car remains in good overall condition and has been driven just over 51,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Grand Marquis was built to provide a comfortable driving experience for long highway trips and relaxed weekend cruising. Vehicles like this are becoming increasingly uncommon because many examples have disappeared over time, making surviving models more desirable among collectors. The Grand Marquis remains popular for its durable construction, soft ride quality, and traditional American luxury character. This Mercury represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a large vintage sedan with strong classic appeal. Number 8. 1976 Ford Elite. Price: $5,500. Located: Marshall, Minnesota. This 1976 Ford Elite is a stylish personal luxury coupe that combines classic American comfort with bold 70s design. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives well, while benefiting from several important recent upgrades including new tires, wheels, shocks, and brakes. These improvements help make the car more enjoyable and dependable for regular driving or weekend cruising. The Ford Elite was known for its smooth ride quality and upscale appearance, making it a popular choice during its production years. Its large body design and distinctive front-end styling continue to attract collectors who appreciate vintage American luxury vehicles. This example appears to offer a solid balance between affordability and usability, making it suitable for both restoration enthusiasts and casual classic car owners. Vehicles like this continue to gain attention because of their rarity and strong representation of 70s American automotive history. Number 9. 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Price: $8,000. Located: Marlton, New Jersey. This 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III is a luxurious American personal coupe powered by the legendary factory big block 460 engine, producing impressive horsepower and torque. The seller describes the vehicle as running, driving, stopping, and shifting very well, while delivering the smooth and powerful driving experience expected from a classic Lincoln. The brown exterior combined with the white leather interior creates a sophisticated vintage appearance that reflects early 70s luxury perfectly. Equipped with an automatic transmission and strong factory drivetrain components, this Mark III offers both comfort and performance for long highway cruising. The seller also mentions solid floor pans and a clean title, while honestly noting cosmetic imperfections and minor issues expected from a vehicle of this age. Classic Lincoln models like this continue to attract enthusiasts because of their massive presence, elegant styling, and powerful engines. This vehicle represents excellent value within the classic luxury car market. Number 10. 1962 Buick Special. Price, $2,250. Located, Hicksville, New York. This 1962 Buick Special sedan is a unique vintage American project car that offers classic styling and strong restoration potential for enthusiasts seeking something different. Powered by a 215 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this Buick delivers an old-school driving experience rarely found in modern vehicles. The green exterior and matching green interior create a distinctive period-correct appearance that reflects early 60s American automotive design. According to the seller, the vehicle starts and runs, although additional mechanical work and floor repairs will be necessary before regular road use. The seller also mentions that paperwork can be arranged separately, adding flexibility for potential buyers interested in restoring the vehicle properly. Cars like this Buick Special continue to gain appreciation among collectors because of their rarity and lightweight V8 design. This project represents an affordable opportunity for dedicated classic car enthusiasts. Number 11. 1979 Chevy Camaro. Price, $6,000. Located Gilmer, Texas. This 1979 Chevy Camaro is a classic American muscle car project that offers strong performance potential and unmistakable late 70s styling. Equipped with a 350 engine featuring a 4-bolt main and steel crank, this Camaro delivers the kind of power and character that muscle car enthusiasts continue to appreciate. The seller states that the vehicle runs decently and includes several interior upgrades such as a replaced headliner, new carpet, and reupholstered rear seat. Additional improvements include a new steering gearbox and replacement power steering pump. Although the vehicle will require further restoration work including paint and suspension attention, it already provides a strong foundation for someone passionate about classic Camaros. The primer-covered body and aggressive coupe styling give the car a true vintage muscle appearance. This Camaro remains an exciting project opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts who enjoy restoring iconic American performance cars.